Hi, Derek Harp here, founder and chairman of CS² AI and the host of CS² AI Online. And I'm getting excited about one of our next sessions coming up with Brent Huston, CEO and founder of MicroSolved. But more than than titles, this is one of the guys who's been working on cybersecurity for as long as anybody has, and is an inventor and is an author and a speaker and definitely a thinker. And so I am always excited to hear what Brent has to say. And this particular topic to me, I think is interesting to me, but I know it's interesting to somebody you as well. We see all this automation and all these things that are making our, our manufacturing or any control related system, have all these connections and have all these new networking technologies for efficiency and robotics, robots, warehouses, automation. It's exploding, right? We are doing so much in that area, and there's major global brands that are really pushing the envelope. But there's unintended consequences, there's risks, and Brent's got some amazing stuff from a case study that he's going to be able to talk to us about. So Brent, I hope I didn't steal your thunder, but I'm excited about what you're going to talk about. What can people learn from what you're going to share?
I think the first and biggest lesson that I wanted to communicate is that it's a success story. We took this thing that is really complicated, the idea of robotic warehousing, and through the hard work of applying risk management and using frameworks and really embracing the controls that we talk about a lot, we actually got it to work. We deployed successfully, and yes, we had some challenges, and yes, even some bad things happened, like robots running into each other at high speed. But in the end, we successfully deployed this, and we have a template now that the client organization is going to use to roll out nearly 20 more of these across the globe. And what the bottom line of this is that these things work. The things that we talk about at CS² constantly about using control frameworks and taking rational approaches and doing risk management actually does pay off, and you can see these complex technologies become much simpler when viewed through some of these lenses.
Yeah, fantastic. I can't wait, Brent. Everybody join us on October 13, Wednesday at 1 o'clock, our normal time and channel, and we'll get into this and sort of unpack, again, a success story. I love that positioning, because you're right. There's plenty of doom and gloom out there. We need to celebrate things like, if we do, so here's some things you can do, and practical approaches, and that's a positive message, so I'm all for it.
Yeah, and I think one of the best parts of the secondary messages here is how complicated root cause analysis can be in such complex environments. But if you actually do the work of root cause analysis and then risk managing those root causes, the return on investment was really significant. And I'm going to talk through a very complex problem that really just astounded folks. And as we kind of got more and more into it, how we solved it and how it worked out. We'll also talk about how we used machine learning and data analytics to really get a feel for just how complex the environment was, and to find some abstraction points that we could make more sense of the environment and get it to work better.
Awesome. That's great. Yeah. All right, Brent, we'll see you on Wednesday, October 13th.
I can't wait. Looking forward to it.
Cool.